love the smell of lemon. I love lemons just in general. They're just my favorite. So what I like to do with lemon is I like to add lemon to my soups, and I love soup. I'll add it to my chicken when I'm marinating chicken. I like to do that also. I like to have a glass of warm lemon water in the morning. I'll squeeze my fresh lemon, and I also add lemon essential oil to it. You can also add it to your thieves tea that we just talked about. Adding thieves and lemon to a glass of warm water with some honey can really soothe the sore throat. You can also put it in your diffuser, and you can put a few drops of lemon along with some peppermint and lavender, and it's really good for seasonal support and allergies. There's so many things you can do with lemon. You can clean with lemon. You can add it to a spray bottle with some vinegar, and you can clean your windows and your counters with it, and it's just a really safe way to clean. You can also make a air freshener spray with lemon and just kind of freshen up your house and make things smell good. Spray it on your furniture. You could also add lemon to a roller to help with immune support for if you're feeling like you're getting sick, and you can add it along with thieves. There's so many different ways you can do it. So there's lemon. Bye.